Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about internet computer itself. If we're looking at majority of the markets, you guys can see we're seeing a little bit of 50-50. Some coins up quite a bit, some coins seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. But if you're looking at the broader picture, things are looking quite bullish. So if we're looking at internet computer, it's up 1.4% on the daily time frame, with the price as of today, February the 14th, sitting at $13.39. We're also up about 2% in BTC comparative, with the market cap currently sitting above $6.1 billion, guys. This is absolutely nice to see. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $154.2 million. Not bad. Not bad at all. And right now, as of recording this update, internet computer is retesting some very key resistance levels, which we've been talking on my channel for quite some time. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. But before I do that, just a quick disclaimer. As always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I'm going to briefly take a look at BTC for you guys, see what is happening with the price of Bitcoin, because of course, Bitcoin is something I want you guys to start taking a look at on a day-to-day basis. No matter how good your project is doing, you want to be looking at Bitcoin's price, because this is, the leader of the market, and it makes us, kind of predict as to what could happen as we do go further into this, upcoming week. So, if you're looking at BTC, Bitcoin is looking amazing. Did see a little bit of a minor pullback, almost retested $48,221 support line, and that is totally okay, especially after closing into the 38.2. We do need to realize that Bitcoin did make its way back above a new yearly high, and this is something a lot of people do tend to forget, and you as a Crypto ZX supporter do not want to take this for granted. Bitcoin massive move is something that a lot of people might still not pay attention to, and you on the viewer side do want to understand the significance of this. So Bitcoin looking absolutely amazing. I still think Bitcoin has everything for itself to push up to levels like 52,700, which we have not seen, guys, literally in over 2 years. So of course those are some targets that I could be looking at for BTC, but that's how Bitcoin is looking right now. But as far as Bitcoin dominance goes, 53.8%, so it's been pretty much ranging around this level, so not much has changed for that as well. But internet computer is making some very, very key moves as we speak, and they are worthwhile noting. So let's waste no more time and pull out the charts for internet computer itself. So if you guys are looking at the charts right now, the big picture, kind of just want to briefly go over some of the key levels that you want to be taking a look at. So the key levels, of course, right now are $13.56 and also $16.08. So the significance of these levels are, we did break below this key level of support at on April 20th in 2022. So we're approaching 2 years mark, and then of course we did see this massive pullback all the way down to $2.70. So this right here is a key resistance which we did retest earlier this year, which we did get a rejection at, but now we are seeing the price making its way back above to key levels, and of course some of the key resistances are coming in the way. So I'm going to switch to the hourly time frame, and we're going to take a look at ICP from there. So if you're looking at this chart, honestly speaking, guys, especially if you're looking at it from November, this chart is looking absolutely amazing in my quite honest opinion, because you guys can pretty much see this for yourself. Despite Bitcoin pushing down, now hear me out, Bitcoin pushed down to $39,000 to close the CME gap. And even though that was a huge move towards the downside, we did not see ICP creating a new lower, especially below $8.63, which of course are levels we were at around December of last year. So this shows that the momentum that ICP has for itself is quite strong, and I've been saying this on my channel from the beginning. ICP is one of the projects that does see, of course, the correlation with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes down, everything does tend to go down, and of course ICP is not an exception. ICP is not a stable coin. ICP will definitely react to that, but moves like these these, like right off the bat, are the ones that should not be ignored, because look at it, we saw this happen 2 different times. On the January 8th, when we did see that pullback, we saw ICP pushing up. Now let me put this into perspective. We saw ICP dropping down to $10.43, and it pumped up 33% literally in a matter of a day. And you can see this for yourself once again. ICP retested $9.75 this time around, because we did see Bitcoin going down to 39,000, and you saw ICP pushing up 25% instantly, basically. So this should give you guys an indication that there is a lot of hype behind ICP. And of course, if you do more research on Internet Computer to see what exactly this project is doing, you get more excited about it. It has a real world problem to kind of solve, because something that we use on a day-to-day basis, which is the internet, which is centralized right now, and their main mission is to make it decentralized. And a lot of people are seeing value in it. People think that this could be something huge as we go further into the future, maybe not even this bull market, into the future itself. And of course, that is bringing in a lot of attention. So what you're seeing happening right now is this exact same key resistance once again being retested. Literally at this point, let's give it a count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have seen 7 rejections as of now at this key resistance since breaking below it on the 5th of January, so which is over a month now, just a little over a month. So this should paint a picture as to how important this resistance really is, because guys, if this resistance is able to turn into support, which it has not yet done so, if it's able to do that, we're pushing up, I'm very convinced, to the $16 price point, and this is where excitement will flow in. Right now what you're seeing happening is not enough buying pressure coming in, and on top of that, just the demand is not there. But I think that will change very, very soon, and I think that can even happen sooner than a lot of people think. And of course, once we turn this into support, guys, you will see that crypto ZX resistances do generally tend to work out. So these are some of the targets I'm currently taking a look at. ICP, of course, has a huge following right now. A lot of people are excited. A lot of people are mega bullish on the project. But of course, guys, we're going to take it one step at a time. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. And what I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to answer something. Do you guys think, ICP could be one of the top 10 projects in the future? If the answer is yes, let me know down why you think, ICP could be the top 10 in the future in terms of market valuation. Because of course, we do tend to see the overall, market get changed up. There's going to be some of the coins that will get flushed out, but let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, we have some key projects on the top 10 right now. You can see Sol, honestly, XRP is starting to tick a lot of people, but this is something I will make a more in-depth update on that I think not a lot of people realize. So we will do that. But XRP is still chilling in here. Honestly, don't see this going anywhere. But we're gonna take it one step at a time. Do want to hear from you guys in the comments if you think that will happen, and if so, why. But yeah, that is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.